So I make money online every single day. But the best part about that is I don't just make money with one income stream. I have over 40 plus income streams paying me every single day and every single month. Now, as you can see right here, this year we've made already $1.7 million. And here's another income stream here. You can see $105,000 here. And here's one that I literally just started promoting last week. You could see $4,000 here. Now, I only show you that because I want to show you proof that what I'm doing and what I'm teaching, you can follow step by step and start earning money online as a complete beginner. Now, here's the best part about what I'm going to show you today on how to make money online as a complete beginner. You don't need to create a website with a store. You don't even need to have any products. And you don't even need to fulfill when you make a sale. Meaning when you sell a product, you don't have to go and actually do the service or give people the product. And no, I'm not talking about scamming people. I'm talking about a business model where you're the middleman. You promote other people's products and you just get the commission. You don't have to do everything on the back end. And one of the hardest things when people are starting an online business is having to create a product, needing to go create a website. So I'm going to show you how to start making money online as a beginner without any website at all. Now, throughout this video, I'm going to give you a few simple steps to help you start making money online, even if you've never made a dime on the internet before. Now, if you're excited to make your first money online, comment financial freedom down below because the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. My name is Jonathan Montoya and I actually quit my 9-to-5 job in March of 2020. I started this business in May of 2019. So it took me personally 9 months to quit my 9-to-5 job. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, I come out with videos almost every single day and to help you leave your 9-to-5 job. So if you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get into the video on how to make money online as a complete beginner. Let's get it. All right, so the first step is we need to find a product to promote. Now, the cool thing is you can go find a product literally right now, instantly, okay? So the first website you're gonna wanna go to is clickbank.com. Now, clickbank.com doesn't work worldwide. It does work for most countries, but if it doesn't, that's totally okay. You can find other products on digistore24.com. I actually made, like I said, over $4,000 using Digistore as well, okay? So either way, ClickBank or Digistore works really, really well. So I'm actually gonna go into the ClickBank. Make sure you create an account. So right here on the top right, this is gonna allow you to create an account on ClickBank so you can go ahead and go to the ClickBank marketplace. So after you create an account, you're gonna wanna go to the marketplace where you can go find a product. Now, if you've never seen this before, ClickBank is essentially a marketplace where they have a ton of digital products like online courses in multiple different niches, okay? So you'll notice here on the left, there's cooking, food and wine, business and investing, education, games. There's a ton of different niches and every niche has its own kind of course or digital product. Now, I love digital products because there's a lot of margin on it, meaning you can make a ton of commission on a digital program. So that's why I like places like ClickBank or Digistore24 because they're all digital products. Now, for this specific example, I'm actually going to go to the health and fitness section. So if I click on this, it's going to take me to all the products in the health and fitness niche, okay? Now, here's the cool thing, okay? It tells you a ton of information on these products, all right? So the biggest thing is like this right here, okay? How much are you going to make per conversion? This is the average right here, okay? Now, another thing you're going to want to look at is the gravity score. Typically with a bigger gravity score, that means more people are making money with that product, okay? So that's what you want to look at is the average conversion and also the gravity score. And of course, if you want to know what product you're promoting, you could simply click on these products right here and kind of check out the landing pages and check out like what do they offer, what is their actual product, okay? So if you want to know what it is, just make sure to go check out these products right here. Now, how do you make money with these products? Basically, you're going to have your own affiliate link, okay? So for example, if you want to go and promote this product, you can hit promote right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate this link, all right? So this link right here is your affiliate link. So essentially what's going to happen is you're going to send someone to this link. Now, if they go and buy this product, you're going to get a commission. Okay, you're going to earn money. Of course, you don't have to fulfill on the product. These are already proven products that are doing really, really well. Okay, so that's all this is. Okay, so essentially, let's just say, you know, someone needs this product. Okay, you can hit promote. Okay, generate hop link. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And if I copy that into my browser, now this link is linked back to me. If you see on the URL here, it says hop equals Jonathan Montoya. That's basically my affiliate link. So when someone buys on this page, I get paid. All right. That's exactly how affiliate marketing works. That's the business model that helped me get out of my 9-to-5 job. Now, what I'm going to show you how to do next is maybe something you've never seen before. We're essentially going to create these pages on Google where people are searching certain keywords. Let me show you. So let's take this example right here, this Akira juice. Okay, so if I click on this product, I can see right away this is like a fat burning supplement. Okay, so if I know this is a fat burning supplement, I could go to Google and type in best fat burner for women. Okay, now here's the cool thing. All right, so right away you can see this ad, top 5 fat burners of 2022. So if I click on this ad right here, you'll notice this is an ad. Okay, this is an ad, but it goes to an article. Now here's the cool thing about this method. Okay, I'm gonna zoom up here real quick. You're gonna notice that as I scroll down, it has like the top 5 fat burning supplements. And here's the cool thing. All right, if they're smart, every single one of these are gonna have an affiliate link, right? So if I click on this right here, it takes me to this link right here, right? So if I click on this link, you'll notice right away, you can tell this is a ClickBank product, right? And it has their affiliate link here at the top, all right? So here's the smart thing these people are doing, all right? They're running ads to this specific keyword, best fat burner for women, and then they're gonna have multiple products on this, okay? You can see Shred, Gym Fat Burner, Animal Cuts, Quadriline, all these products right here, okay? Now what you can do is you can do the exact same thing, but you can have all these products, right? Akira juice is a fat loss burner, right? Exapure also is a fat loss supplement, right? So you can kind of go through here, you know, Java burn right here. So you can kind of see the top 5 products. And now what we're gonna do is write an article similar to this right here, okay? The most effective fat burners, all right? Now the reason why we're doing this is because you're providing someone value, right? People love to see the top 5, top 10, top 7, whatever it is, right? And they're gonna go through here, and now instead of just relying on one product, you can now get more money, right? Because people might, you know, buy this product, or maybe they like the second product better. So you're actually making a lot more money, and you're providing a lot more value because it's an actual article where you're telling someone, you know, basically reviews on the products, okay? This is brilliant because you don't have to go and just promote the products itself, okay? So the next step is to write the article about these supplements. You're gonna wanna find 5, 7, 10 of the best supplements. Like I said, you can find these on ClickBank, Digistore 24, and there's other places that you can find these products, but you're gonna have enough to get started with, even with clickbank.com. So the next step is to go to this website called iWriter.com. Now I've used this website many, many times. As you can see, I've had 13 articles that I've already approved through this one website, and I've used that in putting blogs on the internet. Now the cool thing is you can go to order content here on the top left, and you could tell them exactly what you want, right? You could give the project a title, you could have a template. So I'm gonna hit no here. Now you wanna tell them what kind of article that you want. I would recommend an SEO optimized content, okay? Because you're gonna want an article based on a certain keyword, right? So for example, like I said, if someone's typing in best fat burner for women, then they're gonna wanna write the article on that, right? Maybe the top 10 best fat burners for women, right? And they're gonna type in an article just like that. Now what you can do is you can actually go to the article you want to model. Let's just say we're going to copy this URL. Now as we go through this, we want to tell them exactly what we want. All right, so what is your product or service? So you can say something like affiliate for fat burning supplements. That way they kind of know what you're trying to do, okay? Let them know the language. Now the keyword here, this is actually really important because you need to tell them how they're going to structure the article, okay? So I found best fat burner for women. Now I'm using this keyword or this tool called Keywords Everywhere here at the top because this kind of gives you some more ideas. So as I scroll down, it'll give you like fat burners for women, fat burning pills actually work, best fat burner for belly fat. It's going to give you some more ideas. Okay, so I really like keywords everywhere, but I'm just going to keep this simple and keep it as best fat burner for women. And I'm going to go ahead and copy that and add this inside of the keywords here. And you could add multiple keywords. That way she knows exactly, or this person knows exactly how to write this article. So I would give them at least 5 keywords, maybe best fat burner for women in 2022. And you can kind of just keep going down. I'll give them one more, that way best fat burning pills actually work. So let's do that one, and that's good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna want to do a general topic idea. Add your topics here. So you're gonna want to say, hey, I want to do like a top 5 review. So we'll do something like this. So something like, I want a top 5 review of these 5 products. And you could do like product number 1. You're gonna go over here and let's just say, you know, Java Burn is gonna be 1. Product number 2 is gonna be this Akira juice, and you get it, right? So you can kind of go through that. So however many you want to do, I want a top 5 of that. And then what I would do is just explain exactly how you want this done. I would essentially just be like, okay, let's just model this, right? So copy this URL and just tell them, can you please model this? Okay, obviously be more specific, but I think you guys get the point, okay? Now you can tell them how many words you want this. I would say 1,500 words, and then it'll give you a cost based on that, okay? Now, iWriter is a great tool. If you want a cheaper one, you could actually go to fiverr.com, and they have gigs on there for like $10, $30, $40, a lot cheaper. In my experience, I've had better reviews, better articles with iWriter, just because that's their specialty. Okay, so if you want to go a little cheaper, go to fiverr.com and just do the exact same thing. Now, one thing to note is when they write the article, let them know that you want your affiliate links in there, right? So for all the products you're giving them, be like, hey, can you add an affiliate hyperlink to these products, right? So for example, you know, if you're promoting this product, Akira juice, make sure you get your affiliate link and add that in there, right? So if you hit promote here, create hop link, you know, get this link right here, and you want to put this in the article, right? Because when someone clicks on this article and they click on your product, you want the credit, you want the commission for that, okay? So, you know, just make sure in the project you let them know, you know, right here, the brief description, just say, hey, I want to get an affiliate commission for this. Here's the affiliate links for these specific products, okay? So if it's obviously 5 products, you're gonna wanna get 5 affiliate links on ClickBank or wherever you're trying to get it. Okay, so once you get the article back from iWriter or Fiverr, now you have this article. Now you could either post this on your website, or you could also go to Google Sites and you can add the website on there absolutely free. So if you actually go to sites.google.com, it actually allows you to create a free website. Okay, so once you get that article back from iWriter, essentially you're gonna wanna copy and paste it. You know, let's just say this is the article that they gave you. You're gonna wanna copy and paste it into your own website here. You can go to blank right here. And, you know, just make sure you're copying everything that they gave you, that everything that they paid for, okay? Because essentially they're gonna give you like a PDF of that. And you're going to want to copy that PDF into the actual website, okay? So if you have a website, obviously put that on your website, but if you don't, you can very simply create an article right here, right? So if I, for example, just kind of copy this, just as an example here, you know, you could put your header here. I could change the color if I wanted to, change the font. I could do all that within this area here, okay? So let's make this in the middle here. Let's change this purple. There we go. Obviously that looks ugly, but I'm just doing this kind of quick, all right? And then let's just say we could add like a text document here, right? So if I go back to pages, or on the right here, it goes to insert text box. I move this text box over here. Oh, there we go. There it is. Again, they're gonna give you all this. All you gotta do is copy and paste everything, okay? Now, one thing to note is you do wanna add your affiliate link, right? So let's just say, you know, product number 1. So if your first product is Akira juice, then you're gonna wanna go back to the ClickBank and, you know, get that affiliate link. So if I hit promote here, create hop link, copy all this. Now, you might get this back from the writer, but you just want to make sure this is the correct link, right? So if I highlight that, I could actually give it a hyperlink and then apply, right? So obviously you're going to have a complete article and you're going to want to make sure those affiliate links are going back to your affiliate website, okay? So, you know, once you have all the article in the website, you're going to want to hit publish here and you're going to want to give it an address, right? So top 5 weight loss for women. You want to publish that. So now it's going to give you a link, okay? So this link right here, if I go to view There's the website here. Obviously, it's pretty ugly because I'm doing this very quickly. But after you publish it, you could actually go to this link right here and copy this. Now, this is the actual link that you're gonna wanna send people to. Now, here's the trick, all right? Now, remember, these are all featured articles, okay? How do we get featured right away? So if we go back to Fiverr, and this is the next step. So once you have your website done, this is the last step here, okay? You're gonna wanna feature your article. You're gonna wanna pay someone like the huge websites, okay? And they're gonna feature your article. So if you go to Fiverr and type in featured article, something like this, right? It's $125 here. And you'll notice if you click on this, okay, you're gonna wanna read the gig, but basically what they're doing is they're featuring your article on their website, okay? So New York Weekly, LA Weekly, like these huge websites, okay? So, you know, you can obviously get your article up as quickly as possible, okay? So this is kind of the strategy here. And what you do is you basically buy this package and then you send them the link to that, okay? So for example, if I go to New York Weekly, and I go to, let's just say I go to Google. If I go to New York Weekly, obviously they have this website here. And with this website, they're gonna have these featured articles right here, okay? So basically your article is gonna go in there and it's gonna say, you know, top 5 supplements for women to lose weight, okay? People are gonna click on these. They're gonna go to your article because you're sponsoring this article. And essentially, you know, people are gonna read this article, get value, and click on your affiliate links. So this is just one way to start making money online as a complete beginner. You could literally do this in a few days. Some of these people online will turn around and give you back the articles. And then all you gotta do is sponsor them. That way you could get fast traffic. You don't have to wait for Google to give you traffic. You can literally feature your article as fast as possible. So if you found any value in this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions at all. And please subscribe to this channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. With that being said, we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.